Do you have any idea what this is and how it can keep your car running? This little inexpensive device can literally save your vehicle's life. Let me show you how this device works. Introducing your OBD2 scanner. This is what this is. This little device can tell you everything you need to know about your car. As you can see, a code has popped up here. These were designed in 1996 for all US made vehicles. This little device is telling us right now, we have a code. We have a code! That's right. In 1996, this was the protocol for all US made vehicles. This little device goes into your card pin down here. It's kind of hard to see, but we're going to stick it in there. Every vehicle has the same one, and this scanner can read literally everything that you have wrong with your car if your check engine light is on. This check engine light is on, it's telling us we have a code. Instead of wondering what the code is, you can actually look this code up and do it yourself. One step ahead of the mechanic, that's what you're gonna be. When you plug this into your card pin and you get a code like this, you'll know exactly what to do. Wanna know if your car is ready for emissions? You literally plug that in, hit your button twice, and you'll see that you only have 2 monitors. With 2 monitors, that allows you to get your car emissioned at any emission shop anywhere in the country. Wasn't that tutorial so easy? I think anybody can do that. Before we show you how to get one of these, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to go to the comment section where I have provided you with a checklist for your buyer. Sits there and awaits. 2 little pinpoints. Yes, they're gonna need an emissions on that car. You're gonna do that for them. I'm gonna show you how. And you wanna make sure it's ready for emissions, and that's why you need one of these. For the first 100 people, I am going to offer you a $5 rebate when you purchase this from our link in the comment section. That'll be a cost of about $12 to you from an Amazon distributor. Confirm in your email that you've got a receipt from Amazon, and I will rebate you $5. So in recap, you've learned how to use this device and how to get this device, and get our checklist like you won't get from anywhere else. That checklist will give you all the information you need for your buyer. Couple little key points there. Did you get the car emission? Yeah, you're gonna have to. On this next video, I will provide you with all the paperwork, no license, no permit required, to consummate that transaction between you and the buyer, so you could log your first automobile finance contract in your name.